Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today is the ugly, but we're going to make the save. Today we have a 50-foot run of 4-inch cast iron going out from a heater room through a basement with a pool hall, tile floor, etc., and sewer needs to be replaced. But today we're going to line it. Today we're going to line it with New Flow Technologies, who I happen to be in partnership with, which is a beautiful thing because I get to offer my customers, my clients, South Jersey, a better option than tearing it up. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. If you haven't subscribed, pardon this bumpy ride. Follow this journey as I train my two sons in all sorts of plumbing. And this is a bumpy Ventnor Road in the trade of plumbing. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. As you can see, this pipe, a 4-inch cast iron sewer, runs from heater room to sewer box in the street and is original and has multiple problems. And we're going to go ahead and descale it to prepare for a 55-foot liner on a no dig, no demo sewer repair for this gentleman from the heater room to the street. And right there is the actual, it's got a weird angle coming into the sewer box in a terracotta, but we're going to line it right to the sewer box and eliminate all that right there to make it one smooth line into the city sewer box.
We're empty here, huh?
It's full there.
Hold on. Here's, let's go a little bit. It will when they take stuff off.
Looking nice, Keith. Really blue. So what do you think about oh, we got update software?
Yeah.
What do you think about putting the camera between the felt and the plastic? Did you try and do that? It was so smooth last time you couldn't.
I mean, I could try to do it right now.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Before he goes to pull anything.
Oh, is he going to have to pull?
Yeah, he said he was going to.
Because they want you to do that.
I don't know if I can get enough. Oop, there it is. Now we're good.
Now, when you're, like, say we're trying to press time, right? It's, if it starts to stick, you stop and you can air it back up, dude. You know?
Oh, like on the insert?
Yeah, yeah. Even with, let's say you said, hey, I'm 5 hours in, you're pushing the clock. You know, you can pull it back out. Let's say it starts to get tacky in there and stick it to the plastic, and you can say,
Oh, I see. Like, let it
pull
drain.
back
Take
out
the plastic
and air
off
it back
and then-
up.
yeah,
Yeah, you can
okay.
actually do that.
That's pretty smart. That's a good idea. 38. So this should be the end of the bladder that you guys have pulled in.
Go ahead, Dave.
What?
Now, is the bladder, is it in, can you reach it from out there?
Not anymore, no.
Oh, shit. Oh, but you can just throw it over coat and tangle it up and pull it out.
That might be the end. You might be getting bladder only, Keith. It is what it is, but that baby powder.
Yeah.
Try to break this up a little bit more.
I could actually buy some ends. 3, 5 foot repair.
Got it out? Okay. This plastic out here.
Yeah, Dave.
And you can see the end here too. Oh, yeah. There's something in there.
Yeah.
Not the sander. Oh, don't worry.
I tell you what, the trap's full of dirt, man.
In short, what we basically have here is a disaster saving maneuver by New Flow Technologies and this pipeliner. This was the gentleman's basement, including his heater room, cement front porch, a pool hall, tile floor with his pool table on it, and 55 foot in length. Didn't get the shot on the pool, but in the end, you see what we got. He's back up and running without an ounce of demo. We used a clean out in the basement, and then we used the trap out front, the sewer box, and in the end, we sanded everything and it worked out great. I am stoked on our partnership with New Flow Technologies and be able to offer a no dig, no demo pipe repair solution as an option for my customers and South Jersey residents.
Yeah, folks, we got her done.
a long process, couple days, many steps, and many learnings in the new flow technology era. And we're doing just fine. I know New Flow was proud of us. I know the homeowner's super stoked. Clean out box out front, new line between, back in action, flushing toilets like we all have to. With that, what do we got? In 2023, what do we got? And there goes another satisfied customer, folks. See you at the next one. Have a great day.